Hello and welcome dear students. This is me Aisha Nazir teaching you better English literacy skills for grade 5 and I hope you all are doing good with your fasting. As you know that we have completed our two lesson number 1 and lesson number 2, and today we are going to start our third unit, that is poem. Open page number 14, unit number 3, and the poem is about water. And the name of the poem is Daddy Fell into the Pond. Daddy fell. Fell is the second form of verb fall, means girna, into the pond, and pond means talab. So let's discuss first what this poem is all about. This poem is about a hot summer day when the sky was dull and grey and everybody was moaning and they have nothing to do. The day was very boring and there was nothing to do on that day. Everyone was quiet, and suddenly what happened? Suddenly Daddy fell into the pond and everyone's face grew merry or cheery, and suddenly it became an entertainment for everyone. Everybody started laughing, and it was a kind of delight for them. They were very happy and it was like an entertainment. Everybody started, someone dancing and someone started shaking their heads. So it's about the daddy who fell in the pond. So let's start the poem. Everyone grumbled. Grumble mean moaned और complained, और यहाँ हम इसका मतलब ये भी ले सकते हैं कि हर कोई उदास था. ठीक है. The sky was grey means the sky was grey. Grey means dull here. The sky was dull. We had nothing to do and nothing to say, as the day was very boring and we had nothing to do. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and we were about to end the day. Which day? A dismal day, a very dull or dim day. The meanings are here, but I will dictate at the end of the video, inshallah, so you can copy from there. Okay. So we were nearing to end the dismal or dull day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond, and even after that there was nothing to do, because all of you know in summer days the days are very long and the nights are short. So in a daytime you have nothing to do. The days are very boring because it's long and it's warm and you have to sit under the fan all the time. You cannot do enjoyment or entertainment everywhere. You cannot go outside a lot because of this hot sun. So it become boring for you. Okay, and there seemed nothing to do beyond, और उसके बाद भी करने को कुछ नहीं था. Then क्या हुआ? Daddy fell into the pond, और अचानक से suddenly Daddy fell into the pond, and everyone's face grew merry and bright. And after that, what happened? When suddenly Daddy fell into the pond, everyone's face grew merry. Merry means cheery or cheerful. Means everybody was delighted or happy. And Timothy danced for sheer delight. What happened? Timothy is a boy who danced for sheer means pure or complete delight. उसने खुशी से नाचना शुरू किया. Okay. Sheer delight means pure pleasure. Pleasure means खुशी. Delight, pleasure, and pleasure means खुशी. Give me the camera. Now Timothy asked for his camera. That give me my camera. Quick, oh quick. Quickly he asked for his camera. He is crawling out of the duckweed. Click, because he wanted to click the picture of the daddy who was in the pond. So he asked for the camera and the daddy started crawling because he was trying to come out of the pond. So he said that he is crawling. Crawling means moving slowly on the hands and knees, as the baby, you might have seen babies crawling. out of the duckweed. Now, what is duckweed? Tiny flowery plant that float on still water. You might have seen the little greenery on the little green layer on the still water. This is called duckweed. Click, and he took the picture of him. Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knees. Now when the gardener saw the daddy who fell in the pond, what he did, he suddenly slapped his knees and doubled up, shaking silently, and he was shaking, moving his head silently. ठीक है, जैसे हम कहते हैं घुटनों के बल झुकना. So he bent on his knees and he became double up. And the ducks all quacked. और ducks ने क्या किया? Quacked is this is a duck sound, quack quack, like they do, as if they were deaf, as if they were silly or senseless, and it sounded as if the old drake laughed. Drake means male duck, so their quack seems like it was sounded like if the old male duck laughed. Laugh means hasna. Oh, there wasn't a thing that didn't respond. At that moment, everything responded to the incident because the day was very boring, it was very dull and quiet. So when something like that happened, everybody responded to that and everybody was happy and cheerful. There was a moment of cheerness in that day, on that day, when daddy fell into the pond. So when daddy fell into the pond, there was nothing on that in that place that did not respond to that. So this is all about the poem, and now I will give you the words meaning of it. Look at this poem. You can note these words meaning on these words, underline them and write the meaning, or you can also note them on your any rough notebook. Poem Daddy fell into the pond. Words meanings: grumbled, moaned, complained, dismal, dull or dim. Merry means cheery or cheerful, खुशी देने वाला. Sheer means complete or pure, मुकम्मल. Delight, pleasure. Pleasure means खुशी. Crawling, moving slowly on hands and knees. Moving slowly on hands and knees, just like babies. Duckweed, tiny flowering plant that floats on still water. That the layer of greenery or the still water means रुका हुआ पानी जो होता है उसके ऊपर जो green layer आती है, this is called duckweed. Deft means silly, and slapped, hit. So these are the words meaning of the poem. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.